Sahara Desert, located on the African continent, is the largest hot desert in the world. The enormous Sahara is the largest hot. The Sahara Desert,
located on the African continent, is the largest hot desert in the world.
Desert, located on the African continent, is the largest hot desert in the world. The enormous Sahara
spans over 11 countries, including Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Mali, and Niger.
Sahara spans over 11 countries, including Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Mali, and Niger. It covers over
9.2 million square kilometers, roughly the size of the United States of America.
Over 9.2 million square kilometers, roughly the size of the United States of America, amounting to 31%
of Africa.
31% of Africa. The chief landforms
of the Sahara deserts, including dunes, hamada, regs, ergs, salt flats, and oases.
Forms of the Sahara Desert include dunes, hamada, regs, ergs, salt flats, and oases. The Sahara has
only two permanent rivers, the Nile and the Niger.
Only two permanent rivers, the Nile and the Niger. But it has a
substantial amount of aquifers and a handful of lakes.
Substantial amount of aquifers and a handful of lakes. The temperature during the
summer months can exceed up to 50 degrees Celsius. I don't know how to wear it. Okay. So I can hold my hand. The temperature during the summer months can exceed 50 degrees Celsius.
The summer months can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. And during the
cool season, the average temperature is approximately 13 degrees Celsius.
Cold season, the average temperature is approximately 13 degrees Celsius. The central part of the Sahara
Desert receives an average of less than an inch of rain each year. Hold up. Good.
Receives an average of less than 1 inch of rain per year. Other parts
receive an average of up to 4 inches of annual rain.
Parts receive an average of up to 4 inches of annual rainfall. But this wasn't always the case. Archaeological
and geological research show that the entire Sahara was once green.
And geological research shows that the entire Sahara was once green. This period
between 1,500 and 5,000 years is called the African Humid Period.
Between 11,500 and 5,000 years is called the African Humid Period. Oldest rock
arts that are 8,000 years old show a time when Sahara was much greener and wetter than today.
Arts that are 8,000 years old show a time when Sahara was much greener and wetter than today. Despite the harsh arid conditions of the present time, several
plants like dwang palm tree, leporines olive tree, peyote cactus, lovegrass.
Plants like doom palm tree, leporines olive tree, peyote cactus, lovegrass, and animals
such as dromedary camels, Dorcas gazelle, Saharan horned viper, ostrich.
Dromedary camels, Dorcas gazelle, Saharan horned viper, ostrich, monitor lizard,
and deathstalker scorpion called the region home.
The region home.
Sahara's entire human population equals less than 2 million. These people are mostly nomads.
Sahara's entire human population equals less than 2 million. These people are mostly nomads. Did you know that the Amazon
rainforest depends on the Sahara for its very survival? Yes, I know.
Rainforest depends on the Sahara for its very survival? The Sahara
sand gets carried by by the wind power, crosses the Atlantic Ocean, and gets deposited in South America.
Earth's sand gets carried by the wind power, crosses the Atlantic Ocean, and gets deposited in South America. The sand
particles pick up moisture during their journey and bring rain along with them.
Particles pick up moisture during their journey and bring rain along with them. This rain does
fall on the Amazon rainforest, fertilizing with phosphorus.
Fall on the Amazon rainforest, fertilizing it with phosphorus, and providing
the water that it needs.
The water that it needs.
Without Sahara, the Amazon rainforest could be potentially destroyed.
Without Sahara, the Amazon rainforest could be potentially destroyed.
Due to climate change, the Sahara Desert has grown nearly 10% since 1920.
Due to climate change, the Sahara Desert has grown nearly 10% since 1920. Approximately
one-third of the desert expansion was due to human-made climate change.
One-third of the desert's expansion was due to human-made climate change. The UN Food
and Agriculture Organization estimated by 2030, Africa will lose two-thirds of its arable land.
Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that by 2030, Africa will lose two-thirds of its arable land if the march of
desertification is not stopped. That's not good.
Desertification is not stopped.